Today we will discuss some of more problems of indefinite integration. So let's begin. First problem of today is integral 1 by sine x minus a into sine x minus b dx. In this question we will multiply by a minus b, sine of a minus b, and also divide. Now we can write sine of x minus b minus x minus a divided by sine a minus b sin x minus a sin x minus b. Now we can write sin of x minus b cos of x minus a minus cos of x minus b sin of x minus a divided by sin of x minus a into sin of x minus b 1 by sin a minus b. Now we will simplify it, and this and this will get cancelled. It will become cot x minus a integration minus, and this and this term will get cancelled, so it will come cot of x minus b integration, both multiplied by sin a minus. Now we can easily solve this. I will leave it up to you to solve. We will proceed to next question. Question number 2, which is log of log x plus 1 by log x whole square dx integration. We have to solve this. We will take log x as t and we will proceed further. X is e to the power t. 1 by x dx is dt. Dx is x dt. Now we can proceed. Log of t plus 1 by t square dx is x dt into x dt integration. And we know that x is e to the power t. We can write e to the power t log t plus 1 by t squared dt integration. We will take log t as no. We know that e to the power x fx plus f dash x integration dx. This is e to the power x fx plus. We will use this property. We know that log x differentiation is e to the power x 1 by t. We will multiply and plus and subtract that term, and our integration will become something like this. Now we can do it like this. minus will get common and it will become, this is two different integral which can be easily solved. This is e to the power t log t minus e to the power by t, as log t differentiation is 1 by t and 1 by t differentiation is minus 1 by t square, plus k1 plus k2, and both will combine to get a constant c. We'll proceed to the next question, which is question number 3. We will take one more. Integral under root of x square plus 1 log of x squared plus 1 minus 2 log x divided by x to the power 4 dx. This is our question. We will see it how to do. Let's proceed. We can write this term as x square plus 1 by x squared. This 2 will become x squared here, and log a minus log b is log a by b. And now we can write it as x cube, and x will get to divide this term, so it will become x to the power minus 2 plus 1, and this can also be written as 1 plus x to the power minus 2. We can see that 1 plus x to the power minus 2 is common everywhere, so we will take this term as t. So differentiation of it we will get minus 2x to the power minus 3 dx is equal to dt. From here, there's a dx also, integration dx and x to the power 3 minus 3 dx is equal to x to the power minus 3 dx is equal to dt minus dt by 2. We will use this and we will get under root t log t dt minus by 2 integration. Now we can integrate this as u into v and we will get our answer.